Subtracting two-digit numbers. On the board, we have 64 minus 23. When subtracting two-digit numbers, always begin in the ones column. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. The next step is to move over to the next column, the tens column, and subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. 41 is our answer. 64 minus 23 equals 41. On the board, we have 87 minus 57. We are subtracting two-digit numbers. The first step, as always, is to begin in the ones column. 7 minus 7. What is 7 minus 7? Correct. 7 minus 7 is 0. Next, we're going to subtract in the tens column. 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? Yes, 8 minus 5 is 3. Making 30 our answer. 87 minus 57 equals 30. And that was our last example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful math tutorials. Thank you guys.